Here comes another beauty. We've been servicing him for many years. 61-foot Viking. Routine maintenance check.
Good right there. All you. I got you.
Over here hauling out another 61-foot Viking to do some routine maintenance. We're going to check the through hauls. We're going to check the running gear. We're going to talk about prop speed. We're going to do a new bottom. We do it every year for him. He's been a customer of ours for many years. So we're going to haul it out and see how we look again this year. Yeah, I see that too. I wasn't going to say anything now. I was going to look at it first. Yeah, it looks really good. This is your second coat?
From here.
Okay, yeah.
Where I'm at.
Okay, cool. I let him know not to paint where we sanded, so.
Yeah, I told him that he should be good by 11:30 today at the latest. Start detailing where all the second coat's gone.
Okay. I'm over here painting a bottom of the boat with Tom today. Oh, there they go again, the jet. About this moment in time, I'm dreaming about coffee. I should have got a coffee before I came over to join you. I could use some energy.
Oh yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah? Were you struggling?
No. That's not a bad thing.
It's not. It feels so good to be back to work after we were sick.
Oh yeah. All day long over here. That's all you hear.
Oh, is that what you've been hearing?
Yeah.
I got a little thirsty, so I went and got Tom and I at the local place here around the corner from the boatyard. It's tasty. It's pretty windy out here today. It's nice and warm now. It's probably about 80 degrees. The low today was about 71. Tonight's my Christmas party for real estate.
Nice.
Yeah, we're supposed to meet at our office there. Matt had bought a full-size blazer. And you know, when you're young, you're not really thinking about those kind of things. You know, younger anyways. His interest rate, I found out after we got married, was 18%.
Wow.
On a used vehicle loan. And I was like, oh, we need to get this paid off as soon as possible. Hey, Antonio. How were those chocolate chip cookies we sent you? My neighbor made those. Yeah.
Whenever everyone feels free that wants to just make cookies and stuff.
Yeah.
Those are really good.
Yeah. Yeah, those.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, I tried those too. I thought they were pretty nice.
And then get some milk with it. Yeah. And I'm lactose, but I'm willing to go for it.
Oh shit! Oh, that's not good, huh?
No. I do make. I sacrifice a lot for cookies.
Good for you. I know you can't complain about this weather, huh?
Oh no! I woke up this morning and I was so wrapped up far underneath blankets.
Oh, you're that chilly.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You get a good breeze out on the water sometimes.
Tom has the blade off and the zinc of the bow thruster. Sanding the blade. Getting ready. You can see the boat is looking great. Some other final touches on the intakes and stuff like that that we still need to work on. We're doing a little bit of a fiberglass repair down on the bottom of the keel where we saw some raw glass. But we're looking good. Ready to splash the 631 foot Viking for its annual checkup. It did great. Some stuff we'll be waiting to do next year. How are we looking?
We're ready to go. Let's put this thing in the water and get it out of here. Another one, another satisfied customer. Makes me feel great when things go good. When your day